Okay,
go.
time to get on the bandwagon and change your life using EFT. So here's exactly how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is decide what it is you want to change in your life.
Okay.
For example, maybe you're upset at your mother. You want to change that.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is write that down on your sheet. I'm upset at my mom. Now you're going to look for the emotion behind that because that's what you want to clear.
Right.
And the question is, how does that make me feel? And you look inside and say, oh, I'm angry.
Yeah.
So you write down anger at my mom. After I've decided what I'm going to work on, I now check it out on a scale of 1 to 10 how it feels emotionally. 1 is feeling totally fine. 10 is the worst possible. I'm going to feel inside right now this anger at my mom. I feel about 8.5 at that. I'm going to put down 8.5 on my page. So the first thing you're going to do is to take these fingers here, put them right on each side of the center, find some sore spots between the ribs, and you're going to rub around in there and say the phrase following me 3 times. Even though I have this anger at my mom, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this anger at my mom, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this anger at my mom, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Okay, now that you've set it up, you're ready to actually start the tapping of the emotional freedom technique. You take your 3 fingers like this, thumb and first 2 fingers. The first point is on the inside of your eyebrow. So you're going to tap here and say simply the phrase that you've identified with the emotion. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. So you just say it a couple times and tap along because you want to tap roughly about 7 times, okay, for each point. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. We just tapped on the second point, which is the side of the eye. Third point is under the eye, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Right here under the nose, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Chin point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Collarbone point, right here, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Side of the torso point, 1 hand width below the armpit, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. 1 inch below the nipple, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. And now the thumb point, which is right here on the edge of the thumb, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Same thing on the index finger, right here, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Skip over the middle finger, same point on the index finger, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Little finger, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Karate chop point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Now tap on the back of your hand right here, and we're not going to say the phrase, but you'll just follow along with these movements that I'm telling you. Tapping along, eyes closed, eyes open. Eyes down hard to the right while keeping the head still, eyes down hard to the left. Eyes circling all the way around. Circle the eyes the other way. Hum for 2 seconds. Count 1 to 5 out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum for 5 seconds. Okay, now we go through the tapping one more time. Eyebrow point. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Side of the eye, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Under the eye, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Under the nose, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. The chin point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Collarbone point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Side of the torso, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Below the nipple, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Thumb point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. This anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Karate chop point, this anger at my mom, this anger at my mom. Okay, now that I'm done, I go back and see exactly how I feel about this now on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me check into it. Okay, I'm noticing I feel very neutral and fine about it. That's a 1. I write down 1 on my page, and I've successfully cleared that emotion and that issue, and I'm ready to go on to my next one. So get at it and have a lot of fun with your new life with EFT.